Okay, tell me, what is your business?
We are into glass, madam.
What do you do in glass?
We sell glass in retail and wholesale. We do glass designing and glass toughening, and we do glass fixing also. Take up the whole job and execute the glass fixing with the glass fixtures. We do. It is that we do the work from taking measurements to finishing everything, fixing everything.
Okay, so how does your customer benefit from your work?
My work is like it's a like one-stop solution. Like you will get everything from glass to glass fixing. Everything will be done, and like it's something like in time frame we finish the work and we give it. It's like overall job we finish it on time and give it. So they will benefit in their. It's not like we don't miss the commitment. We do it on perfect this work.
So, okay, why should I come to RC Glass? Why should I not go to some XYZ person? Why should I come to RC Glass?
In RC Glass, we only sell Saint-Gobain. We are authorized dealer for Saint-Gobain. And the main part is like for the toughening. Normally, people will not have the heating and cooling process doing properly. So the toughening glass sometimes after fixing also it breaks or else it bursts. So the thing is like Saint-Gobain gives us a true thick glass, and we are doing a process of heating and cooling it properly. And when it comes to fixing also, we have trained people who will not grind the glass if there is a mistake. But normally people what they do is the local vendors, the local fabricators, whoever has taken the job. Sometimes if the glass measurement is not proper, you will grind the glass and fix it. The glass any of the other day it's going to break. So that is why we recommend reputed dealers like us to ask the customers to take, because it's like a family, like the patient has to go to the right doctor, no, like that it is.
Okay.
So we recommend.
So how many years have you been in business?
Myself, I am being since '93 I am there, but from 2010 I am exclusively doing glass.
Okay, and what do your customers say about you?
Customers say that, for example, if I say customers that, sir, I cannot do it and I will not able to deliver it. If they say also, they say that you are joking. We know about your commitment. You guys will fulfill it. There is no second thought on your service and quality. These customers are telling. Not we tell also, they don't believe. They know about us. In that way, we have got the trust in the market.
Okay, why should I recommend you to my friends?
Quality, commitment, service, and with total like it's something like for your own family, how you take care like that. Each and every customer is taken care like that in terms of everything.
Can you repeat that line once again, because there was a bike which passed and there was a lot of noise? So can you repeat that once again?
What I would say is, why should they come means something like for your own home, how you do it. For example, if you wanted a mirror for your home, how selectively you do it. Like that, for each and every customer, we do it.
Okay.
That is our way of working.
Okay. I look that there are very artistic pieces in the backdrop. So what is that? The glass work looks.
All the I can't. This is a system. I can't take it there, but these are all some mural designs,
Okay.
and we have displayed some designing flower designs.
Yeah, you can do that. That looks very nice. You can show us that. Yeah, that flower designs and everything look very beautiful. So what are the other, apart from glasses, like you have some colored glasses and stuff like that as well?
Colored glass, clear glass,
Okay.
design glass, translucent glass. You name in glass, we do it, madam. See, for example, if you need a glass where you press a button, it becomes clear, and if you press a button, it becomes frosted. Totally.
what do you love about your business?
Business in it's actually challenging. It's like a max exam. You have to take 100 by 100. It's not something. It's not like 99 or 98. It's perfection is meant in our business. You can't do any adjustment in class. So that challenging, I love it. So daily, some of the other this one will be there. So doing and facing the challenge and solving it is also is giving one pleasure, and that passion we are following it. It's giving me one kick.